Hi, this is Andy Doctor. Many of us like our Keurig coffee maker, but some of us may not like the prepared cup because they may be too expensive, they may not be friendly to the environment, or simply because I have my own coffee powder which is 5,000 times better. So what should you do? Well, in fact, you can get this refillable cup to solve all those problems. And I just think this is in fact the bag, and it comes with two. I bought them from Amazon. If you want to buy the same one, there is a link in the description for you. The one I bought are good for all second generation Keurig maker except the mini. So if you don't have the same generation as mine, you might want to find a different one that fits with yours. But they are all very good. It have two different colors, but other than the color, they are the same. And today, I am just going to use my own powder. And by the way, you can use tea or herb, not just coffee. So it's a lot more flexible than those ones also. There's a mark here tell you to open from here. So we'll open it. And I am going to add coffee powder into it. Now, how much to add depends on how strong you want your coffee for, of course, but this is how much I want to add, okay? Now close the lid, and you just put it inside, just as normal for the prepared cup. Of course, we need to turn on the power, and then we just close it. Okay, select the cup, and in a few seconds, the coffee will come out. Simple as that. After you use it, you actually can get rid of the powder to trash or to your compost, and then put it in the dishwasher. The dishwasher actually cleaned it really well. I just did last night, and you see the small video inside this main video. So it's fantastic and flexible and less expensive and save the environment. So all you can call. See, the coffee comes out. So if you think this video is helpful for you, please make sure you like and subscribe. And I will see you in the next video. Thank you very much for watching. Bye bye. Enjoy your coffee.